Hi guys, I'm going to show you a quick solution for app crash due to Google update. So Google confirms it was due to their WebView services update issues. So all you can just can you see if I'm going to click on any app, and it will see you can see it is switched off automatically. You just click on anything, it will switch off. And same like you just go to, for example, email, you will see here. So after a second, app will switch off automatically. So, and sometime it stays on, but most of time it switches off. So same like if you click on Viber, see. So to fix this issue, you have to go to Play Store. See, so it's acting up a bit. And type in search Google Chrome. And all you just do it to update this. That's it. So after update, it should work as normal. So you can, if you fix your problem after watching my video, so please like and share it, and leave your comments on it. Thank you. And secondly, sometime if it don't fix with Google Chrome update, then you can choose the option application Google Web View. Android Web View is called. So you just update that or uninstall it. It should be fine then. So let's see, we are checking after this. So Google update is done. I'll go to home screen, same page as, let's say, Viber. Where's Viber? So I'll try to open Viber and see if it stays on. It's again closed. So we will go again to Play Store, and I'll just type here Android Web View, this one. Click on it. That's the Android Web View, the top one, or you can try that and click update. So let's see if it fixes the problem. So we go to, yeah, so it's all done, it's fixed. So sometime you just update Google Chrome. If it still don't work, then do Android Web View update, and it will fix the problem. Thank you.